Hey guys, it's your boy MagmaBall here. I'm gonna go sell all the stuff and then I'm going to sleep. And then we're going on an epic adventure. Okay, now we're going to the jungle. I haven't been there in a long time, so I'm not sure, but I think the portal over here leads to the jungle. This portal. Okay, close enough. I haven't been here in the previous video, but I opened this place before the cave. And here I found these slimes, the paddle slimes, the magma slimes, and the honey slimes. So somewhere around here there was another door that you can open with a key, but I have no idea where it is. Okay, there, I found it, finally. Hey. It only took me a full game day. Whoa, what's that? It's a huge door. With lights. Ooh, what's this? It's glowing. Oh, I get it. Okay, so I need to put... Yeah, okay, I get it. So here's the blue stone slime. I need to put a blue... I need to put a stone plot in here, and it makes the blue light glow. And when all the lights are glowing, the door opens. So I'm gonna come back here with all the plot I can get. I don't think I've shown you the lab yet. This is the lab. It's a lab where I can make things. I'm not sure. These things. And we're back. Okay, there we go. Now this. Yeah, okay, good. Honey plot goes here, and plot goes there. Kobe. Okay, 2 more. And now I'm back here, ready to open the door. The terry plot. And now the last one. Ladies and gentlemen, Hawoosh! No, wait, okay. Yes! It's happening! It's happening! Oh my god. Whoa. What's this? You open the door. You open another door. New slime! Quantum slime. Whoa. Green echo. A mote of light, or perhaps a memory? Okay, I have a red echo now. Okay, I can see a yellow echo. Okay. Okay, that portal leads home. Now I know how to get home. Okay. Let's go home. We found a new area. We opened a huge door. We found a new slime. We found some echoes, which I have no idea what they do. I already know what I'm going to do with this slime. I'm going to breed him with hunter slimes. They're cats, but ninjas, and they can go invisible, like this one. But I'm gonna do that in the next episode, so that's cool. Goodbye.